Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Realme GT 60. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and select Child or Teen. Then click Next. And here you have to click on Add or Create Account for your child and then click on Google. Now you have to type in your child's email address, then click Next. And here you have to type in your child's password. Then click I agree. Now click on More and Accept. And here you have to select your account and now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next. Then scroll down and click Next. Click Next again, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then you can click Skip again. Now click on Review Controls, and that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.